EPA Business Financial Services is presenting this video on what is a PPO. EPA Business Financial Services name will be mentioned throughout the video in order to protect itself from being pirated from other agents. A PPO is a product in which has been around and known throughout the country as a preferred provider organization. In that type of a plan, you basically have a upfront cost that your employees will pay, or you as the employee, whoever's viewing this video, will pay before the insurance starts. A typical example that's been around for many years has been where a HMO will have you pay a $2,000 upfront before any of the insurance goes into effect. Let's use an example of an office visit. Let's say you go see a doctor, and let's say you use a Blue Shield's PPO. When you go see the doctor visit is probably going to run about $60. Typically, these sets in the Riverside area. So that $60 is minus from the $2,000 of the annual copay. The annual copay is based on a calendar year. Most employees and employers get that confused. They think it's during the contract year, the month in which you start the plan. It's not. Now let's take the PPO and use it for another example. And let's say the worst thing happened and somebody got hospitalized. Okay, well, we've already spent $60 already for the $2,000 deductible, so that is subtracted. Let's say the hospital bill came out to $100,000. Okay, and we're going to use Blue Shield in this case just because they're very simple to do the calculations. Okay, let's say a typical hospital stay just for one day is around $50,000. Well, at that point, the employee would be paying about probably about let's see, 20. No, I'm sorry, I take that back, $10,000. But because the PPO has a maximum out of pocket, let's say in this case $4,000, and the employee already paid $60 for the doctor visit, so it's going to be the employee's responsibility of that bill is going to be $3,940. The other advantage that people find with PPOs versus HMOs, if you want to find out about HMOs, there's another video on that, is that you don't have to stay within your local area. Let's say if you live in the Riverside area like our office is, and you wanted to go to Senior Sinai, well, you're allowed to do that in a PPO. You just have to make sure that you're going to a provider that's in that network. If you'd like to have more information about these and other products, please feel free to call EPA Business Financial Services at 951-779-6998. Thank you. Have a great day.